Hey there! Think fast, real fast, like 10 seconds fast. Royal Quick Grip CNC collet chucks set a new standard in work holding by offering 10-second collet changes. Yeah, 10 seconds. It used to take Superman longer than that to duck into a phone booth and change into his special underwear, and he was supposed to be faster than a speeding bullet. Our Quick Grip collet chucks are faster. So faster than a speeding bullet. Now who's the man of steel, huh? These chucks utilize unique collets that feature an industry-best gripping range of a full 1/16 of an inch, while incorporating parallel grip functionality to produce maximum holding force. I know. Just get into character. Available in both pullback and AccuLength styles, our Quick Grip chucks are affordable, easy to install, and with a huge ready-to-ship inventory, we can have one to you by this time tomorrow. Royal Quick Grip collet chucks. Change is good. 10-second changes are better.